Let's reattempt this here. We have, what are these? London lows, Asia lows. We swept out these highs on NASDAQ. We're fully taking out London lows and Asia lows.
Show screen. What bias? What's bias? Show screen. What trade? What trade you take? What's bias?
All right. So NASDAQ is underneath the London lows. Okay. We have London highs that we swept previously. These are Asia highs. Okay. We on ES swept out those highs. We have a bearish SMT. We just took out Asia session lows. We have these. What are these? Hourly lows, maybe. So right now, what? We came up on NASDAQ, swept out these high time frame daily highs. ES came back up, swept out these highs. We're real close to all-time highs on ES. Or we got really close to them on the S&P. Come on, bro. Can I put this on? There we go. Asia lows, London lows, hourly lows. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like. 4 hours looking bearish. We have, in my opinion, better draws on liquidity to the downside. So that's going to be what I'm going to be looking at today. We have a very obvious 5-minute SMT divergence off of these highs down to these highs. However, NASDAQ just shit the bed on open. Crazy wick on the S&P. Bitcoin's shitting the bed. I would rather take shorts on NASDAQ just because we're so much closer to these 4-hour lows. Let's see. What does the 4-hour look like on NASDAQ? Yeah, so we filled this gap. We're selling off down here. What did the London session look like? This is London. This is a London consolidation. This is New York pre-market open. So we get New York manipulation reversal. We'll probably get a continuation to the downside today. This is like Asian manipulation reversal, London consolidation, New York pre-market manipulation reversal. So odds are we're going to continue to the downside in this. Triple 1 minute equal highs on ES by Asia highs. Yeah, but these are just, yeah, but these are low time frame and very, very high up here. What, we're 12 minutes into market open? Oh my goodness, holy sell-off, dogs. We might not even be able to get a trade today. NASDAQ just took out these lows. NASDAQ just took out these hourly lows. ES is selling off. We took out London lows on ES now. Personally, I would want to wait for a higher time frame retrace, but at this point in time, NASDAQ was the favored index because I wanted these lows to get taken. They just got taken. So we'll have to sit here and see what else the market could potentially do for us, if anything, or if this is just going to be a straight free fall. Just looking like a free fall right now. Let's go ahead and mark out all the lows that we could potentially grab. Holy smokes. It's dumping. NQ just hit daily equilibrium. Yeah, but that's the thing. Taking a short-term trade off of daily equilibrium is stupid. Again, you guys are using high time frame confluences to try and take short time or low time frame trades, and you guys wonder why you're losing. You understand that if the daily comes through and hits daily equilibrium, like, look, guys, imagine this is the 5-minute chart, okay? Because right now price isn't doing shit for us to get an entry, at least right now. So let me give you guys a lesson. Imagine this daily time frame is the 5-minute chart. All charts move the same. If this is the 5-minute chart and we come into equilibrium, tell me, does the 5-minute candle usually still close bearish, or does it wick equilibrium and then immediately flip all the way back up and then close bullish? It closes bearish, and then the next candle will probably be a doji candle, and then maybe the next candle will be a bullish candle. So because all charts move the same, you're looking at 3 days worth of price action for price to finally be able to get up towards your targets that you're targeting on the 5-minute time frame. So again, you're looking at high time frame confluences to try and take low time frame trades. What? Bruh. Give me a second. Why is it making me do this right now? Why did it do that? That was crazy. Anyways, it just made me fill out a bunch of freaking weird shit. All right. Anyways, yeah, you guys are trying to use high time frame confluences for low time frame trades. Moral of the story. But right now, we're getting a huge bullish SMT divergence off of not only these lows down here, but these lows right here, and we are actually maintaining bullish structure on the S&P 500. On the 1 minute, we already broke structure to the upside. Show screen, show screen, show screen, show screen. Who is that dude, bro? It's like, what? Yo, the dude that keeps saying show screen. Random question. What country are you from? What country are you from? What country are you from? India. Okay. So the story writes itself. Let's see here. ES is looking. This is looking bullish, bros. At least right now, if we can maintain this, I gotta wait until this hourly candle closes, because like this hourly wick, very bullish. If really NASDAQ is the one, that we got to be looking for. Because if we close like all the way down here, I'm not having it. But if we close with like a very big wick, like all the way up here, then I'm having it. But ES looks bullish. NASDAQ doesn't. Moral of the story. Okay, we're getting We got a 1 minute retrace. Really, we should be looking at this entire gap right here. I mean, this is a BPR, so if we come back through this range, we're gonna flood through it. We on a 15-minute order block. Where, bro? Y'all just be making up confluences in your head to justify taking a trade. Y'all literally just be creating shit out of thin air. Okay, we poked our head into this like very fluid zone right here. Low key, if we push back through into this range right here, ES is gonna dump. If we can get like a solid closure into this range, we are probably gonna flood through it. Like we're doing right now. Ten minutes into market open. We're in the macro now, which is nice. Yeah, see that candle close? We're gonna move down, bro. We're gonna move down on ES. Heck, you just want to short on ES. Yeah, I mean, yeah, just doing like a blind short on ES here makes the most sense to me. But I don't really want to take anything yet. Price is just looking yucky. We also have non-farm payroll tomorrow, guys. So, I mean, I wasn't really planning. I was planning on looking at the markets today, but definitely do not need to force anything. And right now, I don't really like how the market looks. Shit, dude. It's just whipsawing. It's just whipsawing. Don't be racist, bro. What have I said today that's racist? Quote me. What have I said that's been racist today? Iran? I didn't say Iran. India? I asked the dude that was spamming what country he was from, and he said India. How is that racist? I asked him, he was saying show screen, so I asked him what country he was from. It's a normal question. Not once did I say anything rude or mean. Somebody said just went short. Making a little 1 minute bearish Tishki. I don't know. I'm looking at this and this doesn't really look appetizing in either direction. NASDAQ is just fully dumped down. ES is way above where NASDAQ is. You guys are crazy, bro. But we have a bullish SMT. Yeah, I mean, bro, the market is just like telling us the opposite direction on both of these indexes right now. So 954. Bro, like I just can't. I don't want to take a trade when the two charts are this different. Like this is crazy. Like I don't want to go long on this chart against NASDAQ. And then I also don't want to short on ES because the NASDAQ chart already looks like this. Let's see what this 1 minute gap does. Because if we can inverse this, this gap is this like range is still very, very fluid that we could push through. But other than that, NASDAQ, I mean, what move did NASDAQ make today? What? 680 something ticks, dog. This year I made $52,000 from payouts by just watching your YouTube. By the way, I'm Indian. W Indian in the chat. W Indian in the chat. W Indian. Let's see what ES does on this gap here. If we inverse it, looks decent. W. Why is that range fluid? We moved super smoothly down through it, and then we moved super smoothly up through it. Let's see if ES inverses this gap. NASDAQ is trading lower. If ES inverses this gap, I'll probably take shorts here. If ES inverses this gap, I'll probably take shorts here. No, don't make the move without me. Don't make the move without me. Don't go through this range without me. Don't do it. 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 No, 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 no. Don't do it. Don't do it without me. Don't do it without me. Oh, shit. Are we going to respect the gap? Are we going to inverse it? Are we going to respect it or inverse? Oh my goodness. You're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding. Wow. We still have to wait. We got to wait. We got to wait. We got to wait. You're kidding. What a wick. Wow. You're kidding. Bro. Bro, who is typing in that language? We gotta watch this gap here. Low key though, if we close underneath these candlestick bodies, that's low key a good confluence too. I need a piece so bad too. Bruh, why does price always do this? It's just fucking around. It's just fucking around. Okay, please. Okay, nice. Maybe we get the inverse now. If we get the inverse now.
Give me the inverse. Give me the inverse. Give me the inverse. Give me the inverse. Give me the inverse right now. Right now.
The hourly candle's gonna close. It's pretty bullish hourly close right here, but this hourly close on NASDAQ is disgusting though, so.
Signal. Is he gonna give a signal? Is he gonna give a signal?
Let's see if we inverse this. If we inverse this, I'm taking it. No, don't go without me. Don't go without me. Don't go without me. Don't go without me. Oh my days. Okay. I'm gonna take a short here on ES. Very low risk, but holy smokes, I got a horrible fill. Okay. Damn, bruh. Well, it's fine, I guess. Bro, I got horrible fills. Oh my days. Bro. Well, we kind of have to just hope and pray at this point, because that was a horrible fill. Horrible, bro. Are you joking? That sucks. It is what it is. Price just started dumping without me. Okay, so price is moving through this fluid range like we talked about, which is nice. In order for this to even be worth it for me, unfortunately, I wanted to get entered up here so that the end of this range could be first take profit. Now I'm kind of in like a shitty position. And I low-key am just gonna wait until potentially these lows, if they can even get taken out as first TP, which is just not really ideal for me at all. But yeah, NASDAQ is continuing lower. We just took out these hourly lows. See if ES can follow. We're not looking like horrible right now. If we can fully just inverse this, then boom, like beautiful. But yeah, if not, then I just got a very shitty fill, because I was planning on this being my first take profit, but just kind of have to bite the bullet on that, I guess. NASDAQ is looking crazy right now. Markets have been moving insane these past couple days. What, it's 10:03. 10:03 right now. We got to inverse this gap. We got to fully get through this. We got to plow through it. We got to plow through it in order for this to be a viable option for us. 'Cause right now, I don't like the way that this looks. I liked it up here. I liked it up here. Not with that difference though. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Are you going to trade NFP tomorrow? Probably not. I'll probably get on the charts and look at it though. Smoked. See, I wish I was able to have that as my take profit one. Okay, let's see if we inverse or respect this 1 minute gap right here. Looking like a little 5 minute SMT divergence, but price has been whipping back and forth. So, oh wow, we inversed it already. Well, let's see. This is still a super clean range. We see boom, swift move through, boom, swift move through, boom, swift move through, boom, swift move through. Unfortunately, it's not going in our favor right now. Shit's about to stop me out, and I'm out. That puts me at a loss of, damn, that much? Jeez, bro. See, I didn't even want to be risking that much. I lost $44,850 on that, which really blows, but it is what it is. Yeah, so down 46.9K off that. That fucking sucks. See, now I want my get back. Could long the fuck out of ES off of the order block, but see, that's the problem with doing these streams, bro. I know my risk. You guys be just full porting shit, so that's the problem. If I take 2 trades and then if I lose this one, like I already know my allotted risk. Yeah. I'm gonna go long here. Going long on ES again. See if we can get these Asia highs. With equal highs up here. Damn, do I really want it like that? Maybe I just have my stop underneath this low. Have this be a continuation. It's low-key what it's gonna have to look like. We have these equal highs and then Asia highs. Uh, if this hits full take profit, then let me go here. Okay. 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 Stops. Put it right underneath that 1 minute low. All right, let's see if we can respect this gap. I did like 1,000,000,000,000% do not want to see price come back down in this area. So my stops are just underneath this low. And let's see what my risk is. Okay, cool. We'll see how this goes. Again, as long as we don't revisit this like breakaway right here, I'm comfortable with that. But if we do, then this is just straight whipsaw, and we should have avoided Thursday on a NFP Friday coming up. So we'll see. We shall see if this gets me back or puts me back down. If we lose this, I'll be down like 80K on the day. If we win, it'll pretty much make me break even. I'm not reading chat just because I know you guys are like spamming like a bunch of dumb shit right now. I need to be focused on the task at hand. I'm not going to be reading your guys' chats right now. Okay. I need a piece so bad. Big wick above this high. I need a piece so bad. I need to pee so freaking bad, bro. Close underneath this eye. I need to go pee. Oh my, I'm just gonna go pee. I'll be back. I'm gonna go pee. Uh-oh. What's price looking like? Oh. I did flush. What are you talking about? I very clearly flushed. You could hear my stream, maybe. You heard me peeing. Was it really that loud? Didn't wash your hands? I didn't touch anything. If I didn't touch anything, what is there to wash? Hands are still fresh. No, don't go down. Don't go down. Touch your face, them, lick them? Bro, ew, no, you guys are disgusting. Lick your finger, no. Bro said this long sucks. I don't know why. I don't know why we took it. Bro, you press the button. I'm taking what I see. So if you're just gonna sit here and copy trade, then that's on you. I'm pressing the button for myself. I understand my own risk. I understand. I'm taking what I'm taking, you know? You guys, that's all on you. You're the one that pressed the button. You're the one that's assuming the risk on your end. Shit is not my fault. Should I take trades alone, then come back to see if we had the same idea? That's probably the best thing for you guys to do. Take your trades alone and then come back to the stream and see what's going on. That's definitely the best option for the majority of you guys, because all you guys are so psychologically fucked up, bro, that like it's like you guys are like children. Like you guys can't handle any sort of drawdown. You can't handle a singular loss. Like, bro, that's what trading is. You know, like I had several losing months last year, but still made a shit ton of money. And most people would, or most unprofitable people would see that and like be freaking out or like throwing some sort of hissy fit. And it's like, dude, that's part of trading. Like you got to see the shit in the long term. We've only been trading I've only had 3 or 4. There's been like 4 trading days of this new year so far. So like, you know, me personally, like this is like 1 week of 1 month of the entire year. Why is my chart delayed? Because you need to buy real-time data. If you go in the top corner right here, there's going to be a D that's right here instead of this little green button. You got to click that and then click buy real-time data. Real-time data. You look like Jake Future. Who's that? Who's Jake Future? Is he famous? Why didn't you enter earlier? Because I wanted us to sell. I mean, granted, the fill on these shorts sucked and got filled like right here. I wanted us to flood through all the way here to push lower, but then we ended up respecting this. And then, I mean, to be honest, this was like the best entry for this. We ripped through this gap and then retested this order block and then made a bullish confirmation out of that. The goal is for this, or the idea is that this is a breakaway gap, and if we remain bullish up to these highs, we stay away from these highs and we go up to take out these relative equal highs and Asia highs up here. So really, I mean, that's the whole point of trading. Like we leave, like that's why we have stop losses. Like anything under here, trade idea gets invalidated because I'm assuming that this is going to be a breakaway gap, right? Anything within here is free range to let the trade move, to let the trade work, right? We can come through, we can sweep out these lows, we can sweep out these lows. Anything within this range, I'm completely fine with price going into. I don't like, that's another thing that unprofitable traders do is they get super scared or they get nervous during drawdown. It's like, bro, you have drawdown for a reason. It's like your buffer to let your trade work, to let it move, you know, because is your trade idea invalidated if price comes down here? Well, for me, no, because my trade idea is based off of this gap. But if your trade idea is getting invalidated when it comes down here, then that's where your stop loss should be. But for me, that's not the case. My trade idea gets invalidated down here. So. Come to Dubai. I will be going there pretty soon. I'll be going there pretty soon. Do you always trade 1-to-1? Nah, just recently the markets have been kind of like not really giving me the exact entries that I want. So risk to reward has been kind of shit recently. Come to Pennsylvania? I've already been to Pennsylvania, actually, now that I think about it. What did I see there? What's like the like historical buildings over there in Pennsylvania? What's the historical stuff in Pennsylvania? Isn't that where like the US was born? Come to Ohio? Okay, that's one place that I will never go. Ohio? Are you kidding me, bro? All right, let's see how much drawdown I'm in. Oh, I'm only down 18K. That's not horrible. Let's see if we want to wick out these lows and then make the move up, or if we want to come down and just invalidate this trade idea. This is pretty much where, because like this right here is like no man's land. Main point is like these lows to sweep out these 5-minute lows. So we'll see. We shall see. Hey. All right, dude. Let's see if this thing is going to freaking move or not. This shit's been taking forever. Holy smokes. Someone said, bruh, I'm gonna get fired. Can you hurry up? It's not my fault, bro. This is the chart's just taking its sweet ass time, dude. Chart is taking its sweet ass time. You gotta ask the chart politely to speed it up, bruh. We're just consolidating. We've been in this range for like ever. Call up JP. I don't even think he'll be able to help on this one, bruh. We need We need a market maker to put in a call. Magnet method. Where is that shit? What? This is the magnet? Does this shit actually work? No, look, it's reversing it. It's reversing price, bro. Magnet method is broken. It's an inverse magnet. It's an inverse magnet. Hold on. Bruh. No. No. Don't go to the gap. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't take out the 1 minute lows. That's like the last thing that I need. How much drawdown are we in right now? I'm down 40 racks. If we go any lower, it is not looking hot. We need to turn this shit around ASAP. If I lose this, I'll lose pretty much another 90. If I lose this, that's another 90 bags down the drain. Or for a day. Because Monday lost 99K. This will probably be upwards of 100K. Wow, we're so close. Damn. Let's see what that puts me at. 93,000 on the dot. Down 122K on the week. Smoke. Absolutely cooked. Absolutely cooked. That's tough. This week is not faring too well for me. I definitely am not going to trade tomorrow because we have non-farm payroll. We have CPI next week, PPI next week. Sheesh. You made money? I mean, shit, bro. You're better than me. Watch, bro. Price is going to sweep out that low and then just rip. Can't chase it, though. That's 2 L's. 2 L's on the day, but that's fine. I was willing to risk that. There's no way that this sweeps this low, comes up above this high, sweeps this high, and then we go lower, though. Oh, I'm sick. It's going to reverse. I'm sick. Chase it? No, bro. I'm not chasing that. It's going to reverse, though. Why? 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 Oh, I knew it. Oh, my God. Oh, man. man. Oh, bro, are you joking? It's literally going to rip to the highs now. Oh my God. Oh. Put those emotions away. I'm allowed to be emotional. It's just acting on the emotions. You guys act on the emotions. I'm pissed about this, but I'm not going to act on it. I'm not going to act on it. Oh, it just sucks to see that, though. It sucks to see that. Well, it is what it is. That's going to wrap it for me today. Unfortunately, lost literally 93K. And that's going to close it out for me this week, ending down literally 122K, which, I mean, to be honest, I'm fine with that, because if I look back previous weeks, yeah, bro, like I was down 174K on this week. Easy bounce back. Down 86K, down 237K. Yeah. We'll see what I wanted. Damn, I was fucking flawless during August. Bro, are you joking? Are you joking on that one? Are you joking? Are you joking on that one? Oh my God. I guarantee you it's going to hit the highs now. Holy fake out. Oh my God. Oh man, you're joking, bro. You're joking. Oh, that you hate to see it. You hate to see it. You absolutely hate to see it. It is what it is. We'll get back. But yeah, that's going to wrap it for me today. Probably we'll see what I want to do tomorrow. We have non-farm payroll. I doubt I doubt that I'll trade. 2 losing days, 2 winning days this week. The winning days were far smaller than the losing days, which, I mean, it happens when this is the type of risk reward that I'm looking at on these trades. But it is what it is. And on this one, just got pure finessed. Just got straight finesse. We were the market's liquidity on this, but it is what it is. I'll catch you guys on stream tomorrow. I'm not sure. We'll see how I feel. I kind of doubt that I put on a trade. But anyways, peace, bros.